Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by clarifying what you want and giving AI clean inputs. This saves hours. First, audit your resume quickly and extract 5 core skills and relevant keywords. Once done, define 3 target roles and 2 industries so prompts stay focused. Next, choose 2-3 AI tools, a resume enhancer, a job aggregator or scraper, and an interview coach. Make sure to create consistent prompts and store those templates. They become repeatable assets for every application. You now move into execution. Feed the job description to your resume AI and ask for targeted edits. This focuses your profile on required keywords and removes noise. Then generate a concise cover letter that highlights 3 quantified achievements tied to the role. Once your materials are ready, automate submission where possible and track every application in a simple sheet: status, dates, and follow-up reminders. Make sure to review AI edits briefly so tone and facts stay accurate before sending. You finish by converting interviews into practice sessions. Run mock interviews with your AI coach, record answers, and request specific feedback on clarity, timing, and phrasing. Then refine 3-star stories: context, challenge, action, measurable result, so you can adapt them on the fly. After interviews, follow up with tailored messages generated by AI and log responses. If AI produces incorrect or generic output, stop and run a rapid human review. Iterate prompts and retry immediately to avoid repeating mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.